Daghang salamat. Maraming salamat po. And magandang gabi. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Once again, my name is Ayeji. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa akin, ang pangalan ko po ay Ayeji. Sometimes they pronounce it as Ayeji. Sometimes they pronounce it as IG. But the correct one is IG. From my... Nagpustahan kayo, no? Kung sinong makakabanggit ng tama. Kasi my real name is Ivy Grace. The last time I was here, as far as my memory is concerned, that was 1998 during the Awit Tanghalan sa Central Bank. Oo. Yun yung time na yon. And from then on, I've been wishing to perform here in Davao City. Tapos, I'm very happy na naging parte ako ng selebrasyon ng Duaw Davao. Thank you very much for having me. At sana, hindi kayo madadala. And I really hope this is not going to be the last time that I am going to perform sa harap ng lovely Davaoenyo. Maraming salamat po. And thank you sa standing ovation. But I prefer cash. Okay. So, okay pa ba kayo? Okay lang kumanta pa ako ng isa pa? Okay, sige. Kasi, alam mo, natutuwa ako. Gusto ko lang itong i-share, ha? Kasi kaming mga performer artists, ang saya namin kapag nakakarinig kami ng palakpakan, ng hiyawan, it only means that we're doing right on stage. Parang there's something right na nagawa namin on stage na nakatouch sa inyo. So thank you very much. Ang warm ng welcome nyo. Alam mo, kung pwede lang ako kumanta hanggang mamayang umaga, gagawin ko yun. No? Thank you. Thank you very much. So the next song I'm gonna do, the first time I sang this song, sorry ha, I love to sing but I also love to talk. So, madaldal talaga ako. Kasi, merong time na nasad ako kasi parang feeling ko ako lang ang may alam nung song na ito. Then, parang pikit mata kong sinubmit sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. Season 4, that was 2021, kung maa-approve siya, magugustuhan ba ng tao. And it turned out to be the most requested song na kinanta ko sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. I would like to perform here live para sa inyo lahat from The Color Purple. Gusto nyo yon?